Looking at me, I know, not go diss you, baby. Wine.
Okay, so welcome to another Dutty Berry video where I talk about something that is trending, something that is new, and something that hopefully will be of interest to you. So today, the 26th hours, the 27th of March, history makes. So, you must have heard that if you don't hear, you need to move from the fall cup way in. So, Vybz Kartel, oh my god, he made a special guest appearance on Rvssian's live. So if you don't know Rvssian, you must know Rvssian and Kartel come from straight jeans and fitted.
In a white t-shirt, we did it. We rock them shades to the limit. Uptown, uptown. See them so we...
Yeah man, producer, I know him work with Shensi and all of them look something there. So I'm gonna just give you a little backstory. So Rvssian went on his live now. So in the initial part, he did a talk to Shensi a little bit and then bring on some girl, some girl for go on twerk theme while him on the live. But in the middle of that, people saw Vybz Kartel legit on the live, on the chat, communicating like, like everybody else, him a communicate.
Alright, next request.
Oh shit. You're
Alright.
excited. What's good?
What's good? You gonna dance first?
Oh shit, is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
I'm a little lip.
So say usually when Kartel, a post and a reply to things on him Instagram, people kinda wonder if a shorty handle in page for him, if him have somebody, a social media personnel, but we never really get the full confirmation. So for those of you who don't know, on April 3rd, 2014, Kartel was sentenced to life imprisonment. Alright, so him to get 35 years, so so him a serve him sentence right now. Kartel is legit, fully well behind bars. So in the middle of Rvssian's life now, he was there interacting, him a talk to the fans, man, yeah. And people kept asking, begging Rvssian to put on Kartel on the live. And eventually, Kartel actually post up in the comments, say he wants to be on the live.
Who up next?
At the same time now, I say, where the box with this go on? Kartel, you sure about this? Are you fully sure about this? Because you know so the internet have all kind of ears and lips and touch and all kind of things about you sure about this Vybz Kartel? And Vybz Kartel look like him just say, yeah man. And then Rvssian put him on the live, and this is what happened.
Looking at me, I know, not go diss you, baby. Wine. I'm out. Yeah.
No. Me give up. Me legit give up. 2020 is not a normal year. Can you repeat? 2020 does not make no sense. Kartel go on live. Big Instagram live while he's behind bars. No. At this point in time, like, me no know, it's like a part of me just want to just... There is just something just iconic about it. Like, me no know if it's a history make. Right about now, where Renee and Nikisha there.
My glad I come out, come see this. Nah, like, I fear it's just going to sit me never there, so I'm just choke my...
So, like, I mean, who else does this? Who else does this? I think Kartel just find more and more ways to cement himself in the culture. Like, me not think Kartel a human being. I think Kartel a one alien. Like, him come from one far out country where Kartel just know how to resonate with the masses. Like, him just keep on do something, whether it's controversy or whatever, him just find a way to make himself and his brand relevant.
Looking at me, I know, not go diss you, baby.
Afterwards, I think you have Lila and Katie upon the live. Everybody kind of shock. You have one bag of selector. Me also see Celia upon the live to everybody shock and them can't believe a real life. Some of them say because say everybody has been wondering if a Kartel actually the person behind him social media page, and that little moment definitely confirm it. It cement it. No, me one of them people that were me never really that shocked because from me see the video them with the regular everyday prisoners them I post up to them Facebook page. Me I like if them regular persons there behind bars have social media access. Can you imagine what Kartel get? Cartel probably in my brain able for like order pizza, him probably get him regular money petty, like him, you know, probably got carry him sometime and watch 1 and 2 movie them. Like me just probably probably Cartel there at some fest last year. I do not know about no. But 2020 just now make no sense.
About.
Alright, so here are some of Twitter's reactions. So a girl says Zane Cressida, she says the man is in jail, comes on live, busts a melody, then chuckles and says I'm out. LMFAO, where else is this happening? And we definitely have to agree with you, yeah, Zane. Another girl, Jadizzle, she says I'm out, Vybz Kartel, March 27, approximately 1:58 a.m. My girl, I like do the timestamp like say it's an earthquake we experience. Exile Firo says Cartel either knows he's doing road or not at this point. Cause boy oh boy, me no know. Me don't even know if Cartel want to come out of jail right now. Cause boy oh boy, I'm very much corona free. And somebody says, even though Cartel forward pan live, you see Cartel forward pan live? Not me. And then this is one of the funny ones I'm gonna see. So David Will says Cartel explaining to the warden tomorrow about the Instagram live video.
Obviously, it's some artists who have come up with these rumors, and the people who are running with it are already anti-Gaza fans. And
then Sir New Balance, he says, this is him reacting to Cartel going live.
But wow, what a moment. I will never forget. A moment that is most pleasing to me.
Well, I think that is it. Me no know. I am lost for words. Like, me no know. Like, I think this moment, if this don't reach pan the news by the time the video uploaded, it's supposed to be all over the place, pan the star, pan tropics, pan dancehall, shade room, everywhere. Like, if you were sleeping and you missed this moment, like something wrong with you. Like, this remind me of them little days when Free Nights used to run the place and people used to up for catch a little latest excitement them. Wow, Cartel, that's all me have to say. Me don't know how the moment here if they're gonna help you in your upcoming, what you call it, retrial or whatever. I do not know. What you have to say, Burritos, sound off in the comments section. What are your thoughts? How do you feel? Were you there on the live to see it as it happened? What are your reactions? More of hear in the comment sections right about now. All of the Gaza fans them, even the Alkaline fans them to more of hear what I have to say in the comment section. Okay, well that is it. Burritos, if you like the little conversation we're going, make sure you say hit the thumbs up, turn on the post notification, and if you're new to the channel, just subscribe. No, alright, peace out.
Looking at me, I know, not go diss you, baby. Wine. I'm out.
Yo. Yo. History. You already know. Yo, I forget that 1 more second out of that dog. Boop, boop. Man, check the live, dog. The man give you 5 seconds and check the live. Live in color.
Okay, teacher.
Yo. Legendary shit. Creep. A history that's in a dog. Ha ha. Pull up. Who we adding next? Who can top that? Man, I think nobody can top that one there, you know, but yo,
it is a show me up on the live, some man.
Yo, DJ something, spit something for the people,
Say when I look at where I'm coming from, looking back at where the journey began, I really have to say that I'm strong, so strong. Bomba, we're boss, big up yourself, hear that? Big up still.
Mad, big up.
What you are going here?
Alright, respect. Danny Boo. Who's Danny? I'm gonna say Danny Boo. Who we going live with? Who we going live with? Who we going live with?